Good morning!
Good morning!
Where are we?
We are at the airport and we're flying to Jakarta today because we are visiting factories in Indonesia. Right now I'm visiting China. We're gonna see if we can find some cool factories around here, and then Lorette also is starting fashion brand, so we can kind of like buy things. So it's really exciting. But first, we're having coffee and doing a meeting to start the meeting.
The coffee is already slaughtered.
Heb je zeker geen business?
Ik denk dat Batik Eer dat niet heeft, inderdaad.
Damn it! Our flight was delayed. We are in a train station somewhere in Java, and we have 30 minutes to catch the next train and try to figure out how to get a ticket.
Pretty busy during this time.
Yeah, of course.
People back from the work.
We're like mid-traffic.
This is so different.
It's completely different. Shock to the system. Oh, cool. Oh my god, I love this.
Today started in Denim.
Amsterdam.
Excited, I can't wait for what we're gonna do here the next couple of days. This is a very different vibe from China.
Different vibe in what way?
Because I think the shops here and the factories are much more like edgier. You can always.
Someone is in love.
I'm in love. This is amazing.
Oh! Am I gonna
Yeah,
start?
you always start every vlog and you go, good morning. And I like it.
Okay, cute.
It's
Good morning.
cute. Good morning. We are on our way. Day one of factories. We kind of had a little bit of a meeting already yesterday. We fell in love with some leather yesterday, didn't we?
We did.
So good. Today is Denim Day, and I'm really excited to take you guys along on a little bit of behind the scenes of trying to figure out if we can start production in Indonesia instead of China.
So exciting.
Let's go. First, coffee.
Get coffee.
Okay, let's go. Hey, I got it here actually. This one I made in
Stop. Also this one. So where we at?
We're at the denim factory. We're gonna take a look how denim is made.
Someone really happy here.
Yeah, this is so exciting to see. I've been making denim for 3 years and I've never actually seen it be made, which is, I know, crazy. But here we are and it's amazing. It's really impressive. And I'm excited. I saw a machine where you can see all the rolls coming off. I'm excited to see it.
You ready for the noise?
I'm ready, let's go. get some samples of the stretch. Oh,
Your mask.
we just saw the factory. We're gonna get some samples of the stretch fabric to look at,
They can do so many things.
and they can do everything essentially. Then hopefully we can also make a stretch fabric that is a little bit stronger than the one that we have right now, which would be amazing. Exciting. Feeling of the fabric
The
after
feeling, the colors,
It's more
and
stretch.
the stretch. Yes,
because this is
because these fabrics get more shrunk when it washed.
Yeah.
That's why the stretch it will become more higher.
Nice.
Some food.
We're going to a local
in our bellies.
Yes. Professional. We have a big business, okay? We have to be professional people. Food.
Imagine this girl running your business.
Well, it is.
This is the girl on the other side of the line.
I do a pretty good job, I have to say, but how? Nobody knows.
Message from the girl behind the camera.
I'm still wearing this leather jacket. Okay, next we're gonna see how they turn the raw denim into a washed version.
Wash it after the.
After we sold all the garments and we wash it.
So you first do like the material production, then you sew it, and
Yes.
then you wash it.
Yes, from the pattern.
Oh, you.
Like
Okay,
Well,
what
the
are we
vlog
doing
is
now?
on.
Yes, what are we doing now? Are we
Decomposing.
decomposing? We're gonna go to the production company, right?
Babe, you keep getting wrong cars. Oh my god, what are you doing?
They're the same. They're the same.
This is not our car, this is not our car.
No, it's the right one. Camera.
Anyway,
Are we gonna get coffee on the way?
Yeah, we can do it.
we do production first. I'm so sorry, production
Production first, then coffee.
then coffee after.
Okay.
Yeah.
Production company will have coffee.
This girl has one thing on
I'm
her
so caffeine addicted.
You remember the time when you didn't drink caffeine for a month?
I almost died.
Yes.
Need coffee.
That's settled.
Let's go. Ja, neem je tas even mee. Ja, ik niet. Ik laat me gewoon liggen.
Yeah, I forgot to take my passport out.
Ja, mij wel. Maar ja, oké, ja, maar naar de ambassade, ja, dan fix ik dat ook wel weer. Snap je ook wel?
Ja, klopt. Maar
Ik
ik
kan me
vind
gewoon nergens meer druk. Ik heb het druk maken, maar ik kan ik ook gewoon niet doen.
deze vrouw heeft gewoon nul zorgen. Now we are at a production place where they can actually are supposed to make a lot of like intricate designs. So we're really excited to see it. Oh my god, this is a bit overwhelming. Wow.
Chanou.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
We are at the production company. So when you get the fabric made, when you get it washed, then after you get it designed, and then here they put it all together. So we're gonna look at what they can do for us. Okay, so I think it looks good.
It looks really good. We're
It
really
looks-
happy.
Yeah, we're really happy. The craftsmanship on the pants that they're making here is really nice. Wait. I'm gonna show you something. Come with me. Like, I don't know if I can show the product, but here you can see like the stitching and everything. It just looks really clean. Amazing.
Yeah.
And they have really good like a design department where they actually make patterns. So we're gonna do 2 samples here, an ultra wide leg with some of the jeans fabric from the other factory that we went to, and then I want to do a bell shaped, balloon shaped cheese. And then we're gonna go ahead and see how we like it. And if it's good, then we might produce here. So I'm excited.
So excited.
How about you? You wanna make samples here too?
Yes.
So Ren's starting a brand too.
I'm starting a brand too. I'll do also some pants, but more like suit pants, dressy style. So no denim,
Yeah.
but like high quality fabrics. So I'm curious.
Success.
Good.
1, 2.
Okay. We were having a conversation about Instagram.
We have to put it higher, I think. Otherwise, we have like a. No, it's short. We were having a conversation about like social media growth.
Yeah, posting on Instagram. So I noticed that TikTok doesn't go viral as much anymore. So I post everything that I post on TikTok on my Instagram. For example, I did a vlog today, 400 views on TikTok so far, 5K on Instagram. Instagram just does better.
It's a different, like the algorithm is based on something else.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, a lot of people keep their Instagram really low key. Like, they post something once a week, and it's like cool.
I think also because you have like a lot of like friends and relatives
Yes.
following you.
Yeah, and you don't want to be annoying.
Yeah.
But like for my business TikTok, I would post 3 to 5 TikToks a day, and we grew 25,000 followers in a year, which for a Dutch account in a year is a lot, especially on like a dead platform like Instagram.
Yeah.
So if you want to grow a personal brand, if you want to become well known, whatever, like what you're doing, like you're sharing your outfits on TikTok anyway, you're making that content anyway, like daily probably.
Yeah.
Post it all on Instagram, because there's this this thing of like you don't want to be annoying, so you want to be low key.
Yeah. Like how to get over the judgment.
Low key is just not gonna get you anywhere.
Okay.
Because
you have
it's
to go hard.
boring. You have to go hard, or you just don't do it at all. And you have to just. Stephen Bartlett says that
Stephen Bartlett?
it's the guy from Diary CEO.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love
He
that.
goes like, embarrassment is the price of admission.
Of admission.
It's the price of admission.
I hate it because it's true.
It's so fucking true. So just post 3 times a day on Instagram, and people that don't like it can just unfollow. People don't see everything you post anyway, because the algorithm doesn't show everything that you post to everyone.
Yeah.
But if you're scared to be cringe, give up today.
Hello.
It's not happening.
That is a hard business lesson.
It's not that profound. It's not that profound. Stop! I was trying to come up with a nickname for myself. My second name is Osmara. And I was like,
We do Mara?
do we do Mara? Do we do As? No, maybe not Ass.
I like ass.
Anyway, it's not profound, but it's just simply true.
Post your content.